Okay, so it says 50 part-time students were asked how many courses they were taking this term. The incomplete results are shown below. So frequency, remember frequency means how many people. How many people? So that means that 26 people are taking only one course. 13 people are taking 2 courses. And we have to complete the table. So the question is, how many people are taking 3 courses? How am I going to figure this out right here? What am I going to do to figure out this number right here?
You add both of the frequencies together.
Yeah. And then what?
Subtracted by the total number of students.
Exactly. Yeah, because it has to add up to be all the people, doesn't it? It has to add up to be all 50 people. So yeah, good job. So 26 plus 13 is 39. And then take that away from 50. And that leaves 11. Perfect. There's got to be 11 in that. Okay, 11 people must be taking 3 courses, right? 11 of the students must be taking 3 courses. All right, now let's get the relative frequencies. How do we get relative frequencies? Well, remember, relative frequencies are always dividing by the total. So relative frequency is always the number in the category divided by the total number. That's what it means, relative, meaning relative to the total. So what do we got there? Number in the category, 13. Out of the total, what's the total? 50, which comes out 0.26. So this is 0.26. Good so far. That one. And then the next one. Same thing again. It's the number in the category divided by the total number. So it'd be 11 over 50. You always divide by the total category, 0.22 or 0.22. Same thing either way. You don't have to put the 0 in the front. It's optional. Is that good to there? It's telling us, it's basically saying 22% of all the people are taking 3 courses, 26% of all the people are taking 2 courses, 52% of all the people are taking 1 course. Relative frequency means what portion, what part of the whole. It's the category divided by the total number. Okay, now cumulative frequency. How do we get cumulative? Remember what cumulative means? Add them up, huh? Cumulative frequency means add up the frequencies, accumulate them. So for the first one, it's just 26. There's nothing to add up. But for the second one, it's 26 plus 13. Well, here, I'll just write the answer, which is 39. And how I got it was 26 plus 13. And then for the bottom one, the last one in the list here, going to add up all 3 of those. That's going to come out to be the whole 50. And that was 26, 13, and 11. All right. Now, final question they have. So remember, you can submit just 1 or 2 blanks at a time. So I'd encourage you to fill in those boxes and submit before you finish up. And now, remember, we have infinite tries on this homework. You have 3 attempts, and if you get a blank wrong 3 times, it'll mark it wrong, but then you can ask for a new problem. It'll change the numbers, and you have 3 more tries. So you have actually infinite tries in the end. What percent of students take exactly 3 courses? 3 courses, 0.22. right? The percentage of students that take exactly 3 courses is 0.22. Move the decimal 2 places, 22%. It's this number right here. Changed to a percent so that the decimal is up right there, huh? That makes sense. That's what relative frequency is. It's what part of the whole group. So when they ask us what percentage of all the students take exactly 3 courses, we just grab this number and change it to a percentage. 0.22 or 22%.
I did that on mine. I just copied the relative frequency, but it says it's wrong.
Does it say exactly 3 or does it say something like more than 3 or 3 or less? Or
It says what percent of students take exactly 2 courses?
so you grabbed the number right here from 2?
Yes.
Could you share your screen?
Yeah, sure. One sec.
Oh, yeah, but you didn't give the rest of the decimal. Right? So this number right here, 0.3414.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, just move the decimal 2 places.
Okay. Thank you.
There we
Sorry.
go. Yeah, the rest numbers have been, no, it's all good. Good. Yeah, so just move the decimal 2 places, but you got to leave everything else that's there also. Good question.
Okay.
Other questions? How are we doing? Can I help with other people on this? And let me go back to my iPad real quick. Let's see that.